Chai, Senator onye dọọtụ ọwụọla onwe n'ala ọwụọla onwe n'ala chia Senator onye dọọtụ. Are you kidding me? My people, please. Hey, Chimo chia. Yo. Ndị ọcha ndị awụcha mma agha ndị mma anyụrụ nkọ blunt sword n'elu mma unu ga-ejije ọgụ ma ọgụ seti so ndị anụ acha na this one's one lead on like we all shout that we want change and we keep feeling the positions with a bunch of mediocres. We love praising mediocrity. All the person needs to do is just be speaking our language, finish. The least quality politicians you will see anywhere in Nigeria are from the southeast. Let me tell you. Not be this one be their top senator. Chineke. Akpabio really finished them today. Fear. Like, we love sending people who don't know what they are doing. Are you telling me that people from Abia South Senatorial Zone can't find someone else? Are you telling me that people from the Abia South Senatorial Zone cannot find anyone else that will represent them in the Senate? Enyinnaya is going to 28th year in the Senate now. What exactly has he done? Well, tell me that exceptional thing. Is there any spectacular bill he has been part of? Just to gin up emotions, get you people riled up, telling you, they are marginalizing you. The marginalizing of Igbo. What they are doing to Igbo in Nigeria. Next thing is just appearing in Nnamdi Kanu's court. Take him on bail. Fear. This is already the answer, Stanley. No, I am demanding better. Hello, one name. The monster. I'm live now. Okay, Mechama Bogi. Yeah. Good. You see why people like you are so foolish. You don't know the difference between fighting and demanding better. Because people like you are not free men. You don't think you have the right. Personally, I don't think most of you should be voting. Yes. Because you believe that there are people somewhere who should be deciding who will be representing you. For 20 good years, you are doing the same thing, expecting a different outcome. How is that not stupidity? How is that not Iberiberism? To fear who? So, asking Abia people, Abia South people, to find a better senator. My own senator needs to be replaced too. So it is not just about him. It's about demanding better. We say we want young people. How old is Enyinnaya Abaribe in politics? I'm not talking about his age. How old is he in politics? This guy will still run again. And they would find everything to undermine any good candidate that will replace him. They will bring the same food and you expect us to come and support him just because he's from where? The person that will replace him, is it not somebody from the same Abia South Senatorial Zone? Umutobo. Would he be replaced by a Fulani man? Or is it not somebody from the same Abia State? So why do you think that it's attack on my brother for saying that this is not the best Abia South have to offer? You see the difference between us? You see the difference between us? Then Thank you. He is the most useless bingo. I'm sure you are referring to him. Okay? Me, I no get children where if anybody comes and type this nonsense here, I go block you. No, only you get children. Enyinnaya Abaribe, I've asked you people, of what importance is this guy to Ndi Igbo? You know, in the past, what they will do is they just cut only that side. He was making the noise. Before he starts, they will position their cameras on him. He will make bang the desk, do whoa, finish. Then when the response will come, they will not show it because it will make him look stupid. To their own, Alakasa Pabio, take disgrace. If you don't want to be embarrassed publicly, then send your best. Send your best. You are not sending your best, you are sending empty skulls. Try. You are sending empty skulls. You are just sending empty skulls. And when they get embarrassed, you want us to keep quiet. It's a lie. Let me block one also. It's a bloody lie. We would not sit down and swallow it. You don't even know how to write. We will not accept it. He must be disgraced. We must disgrace him. We must keep on exposing the fraud they are. Dot nation oja confuse un. This dot nation, why is he not fighting about it on the floor of the Senate? Yes, now. Usain Bolt is not elected, so he has no say on the issue of getting you your dot nation. But Enyinnaya Abaribe, the Senate, he is not telling you about dot nation, but he will wear dot nation take photos. Come on the floor of the house, he will be talking and banging on the desk. Then they gave him what he was asking for. Utobo withdrew. Oh, I'm withdrawing my emotion. You are withdrawing what? Finish start and finish in 9 day. Finish where till you start. Those of you who never watch the video did this page. Ezbo Gandhi Dot. He has disgraced himself, embarrassed his village. Abia South people, please find somebody else. No, you people are telling me that all the smart people, doctors, engineers, scientists from Abia South, none of them is qualified to be your senator. Eh? No be House of Reps, so Senate. How many people? Abia South is probably more populated than the entire Bayelsa state. Is probably more populated than the entire Bayelsa state. And this fool, this Utobo, see the quality of people you are giving power. Oh man, no wonder your place is a mess. Everybody is running away. Villages deserted. No wonder everywhere now rubbish. See this type of human being. You are making your senator. Go see the quality of people they make senators elsewhere. You move the emotion. They send you. They give you a opportunity. Okay, you are calling for a vote. Let's now vote on it. Cha, you withdrew. Run away. Just like he's running away from tabling issue of Biafra for you on the floor of the Senate. Why is he not tabling Biafra? Wait, let me play the video here. That's not an over, so that these people and their lights. I'm coming, make a show on a video. Umutobo. Senseless Umutobo. Umumbada. Fear. May we not give birth to stupid people. May we not give birth to people that will be praising their killers. Libe. See, I'm here.
Any senator may challenge the opinion of the president or the chairman by claiming a division. Mr. President, I claim a division.
Okay.
We need to vote individually now.
Okay.
Any senator may challenge the opinion of the president or the chairman by claiming a division. Mr. President, I claim a division. This is the beauty of democracy.
Okay.
Therefore, Senator Abaribe has proposed that we should go ahead and vote. And for me, I think we should do so that everybody can answer his father's name. Abaribe, are you still insisting we vote? Thank you, Mr. President. I wish to withdraw my motion. In the absence of any seconder, we'll go ahead and vote.
Hey, laugh one key people for the Senate.
This is the beauty of democracy. Therefore, Senator Abaribe has proposed that we should go ahead and vote. And for me, I think we should do so that everybody can answer his father's name. Abaribe, are you still insisting we vote? Thank you, Mr. President. I wish to withdraw my motion.
No. You see, shameless people. Shameless people. Noise not their own. Call their bluff and watch them run away. Call their bluff and watch them run away. This is the same thing I've been telling you people. His own is just noise. Put up face. Just to whine you. Okay, now you demand vote. Okay, see the vote there. Come and vote. Let's see. You don't have the votes. You'll be making noise. If they had not put it to vote, he will say, oh, the marginalization. They are marginalizing us. Or you put it to vote, you are running away. Murife, why are you running? Getting out you getting there, Abaribe waiting to pursue you. Who they pursue you? Getting out you get shameless people. Say that this one 90 on a mara fear. There's a blade in your uncle. See the quality of people you are sending to the Senate. So people like me are supposed to sit down, swallow it, and pretend this guy is a smart guy. So we should keep quiet and pretend not to see this embarrassment. No, Abia people, why do you people love 419 too much? Ndabia, can you like 419 too much? Political yahoo. No, 20 years in the Senate. What can you people start naming those projects of Enyinnaya Abaribe? Let's start from there. Let's start with his constituency project. Show me you that love Aba people more than me. Abi, no be Alex Oti fix the road to Ariaria. Ariaria is under Aba South LGA. Are you telling me that in 20 years, Enyinnaya Abaribe has not received any money on behalf of Ariaria International Market? Is that what you are telling me? And we are supposed to keep quiet? You are fake activists. It don't reach where activism go happen. No, everybody went inside. You see it? Or just say, puta, there may nonsense, may noise everywhere. Oh, he is the best senator from South. What makes him the best senator? This embarrassment? This, in fact, if that man had an ounce of shame, this night he would declare that he is not going to run for the election. What exactly are you going to do again in the next 4 years that you couldn't do in the last 20 years? What exactly is this Enyinnaya Abaribe? Senate on the dot. The only thing he knows is to wear dot nation and be confusing you people. To hide under Biafra, non-existent Biafra. Okay, let him raise the issue of Biafra on the floor of the Senate. He knows the embarrassment will be worse than this one he just got. But he keep fooling you people. Okay? He keeps fooling you people. Abubakar, you are right now. Oh, he's your brother. Why are you talking against us? So if he come out there, they go Wode, go bring a person to replace him. Abi then go Kafanchan. Na Kotangora person go replace him. Abi na Bonima person go replace him when he come out. No be from the same Abia South. Then go still select person will go replace him. So you are telling me that in the whole of Ungwaland, they can't find any senator anyone better than this Yepedima? Is that what you want to tell me? Eh? Is that what you want to tell me? That this your Yepedima senator cannot be replaced by someone from Abia South senatorial zone? This also, how do you listen to this man and see him as a smart person if you don't need a psychiatric help? If you are not a psychiatric patient, how would you look at Enyinnaya Abaribe and classify him as a bastion of knowledge? Where is that touch of genius in him? You deserve all these criminals ruling over you. You deserve all these people. You deserve all these crooks deceiving you people. The generation that will be treated better will be the generation that demand better. Not you people. You deserve these criminals. You deserve these deceptive crooks. They keep deceiving you. How many years? His own senatorial zone. Aba, Ariara market, no road. Very foolish set of people. And on go the counter mass marginalization. The lights that are enjoying there na private get a move. Is anybody in Aba paying the electricity bill to the government? It's a lie, and private individuals get them. So make on they know the difference. Now the same sheep carry them. But truth be told though, Ojus Okalu better pass this one now. Yes. At least you go see project to him name. Ojus Okalu is not the type of person I will send to represent me anywhere. But compared to Enyinnaya Abaribe, Oga, go check their project now. Go check their project. At least you move around, you will see many people from Abia State that Ojus Okalu made who they are today. Enyinnaya Abaribe ozuputara mmadu one. How many people has he raised? Ojuzo is 100% better than Enyinnaya Abaribe. But because he is not carrying the Nnamdi Kanu matter on the head, even though he's working underground to save Nnamdi Kanu. Have you not heard the former bingos telling you when Nnamdi Kanu was held the other time? The other time, Odus Okalu was on Skype calls with all these their leaders. They are IPOB criminals, trying to help secure Nnamdi Kanu's release. Odus Okalu was the one that made Nnamdi Kanu's father the Eze of autonomous community. Yes. I'm talking about their power plant. All of us know there is no 24 hours light in Abbas, they claim now. I get light past them. If the heat drops and this national grid stops this nonsense collapse like they are punching it in the head, my electricity, you know, if ever off, you know, they reach 10 seconds, it come back. I get light past them. How Odus Okalu made you Enyinnaya Abaribe what he is today? It was through a chance meeting that he selected Enyinnaya Abaribe as deputy. Being the snake he is, he tried to usurp his gas power. That was why Odus Okalu dropped him. Then they used Senate settle him. Finish. Waiting Nnamdi Kanu Papa be today. Not Odus Okalu give him. But you don't see him making noise. He knows where to limit him his what do you call it? Communication, public communications with them. Authority, one man. He wrote a book, The Accidental Civil Servant. Oh. Of course, Lagos gets steady lights now. My people, the Anglican song is a funeral song, but you will learn a lot from it. It says, na ni oluwa ka geji cheta, kedi oru Enyinnaya Abaribe geji cheta. Where are those deeds of Enyinnaya Abaribe for which he will be remembered? Gogodumo ofi onye amegodo in politics. Eji eto ya yeni na eto mbada. Very useless human being. Never na. They gave you what you asked for, you ran away. You ran away. They gave him what, imagine standing up, banging on the desk. Now they say, yeah, come carry, you run. Oh, I wish to withdraw my motion. Coward. Coward. Die by your words. If you are a great man, die by your word. Because you should have considered what you were going to say publicly before saying it. Sorry. Who they fry pepper? Okay? So you did not factor in that you are playing a losing hand. Then you are proudly beating your chest. They give you opportunity, you run away. Of course, he called his bluff, which is the only way to follow these people. Never withdraw, never take a step back. Lean into it. Whatever they are bringing, lean into it. You see that they are standing on nothing. They are standing on nothing. You see why I told you everybody should bear their own cross. Don't say you are doing this thing on behalf of Ndigbo, because when the shame comes, you will transfer it to us. When the game comes, only you go chop up. Are you understanding it? Oh, I'm doing it for Ndigbo. Oh, for Ndigbo. And you that is seeing clearly that this guy is a lightweight. This is a complete paperweight. They will want you to lie to yourself that what you are seeing is not actually what you are seeing. Don't believe your lying eyes. This paperweight, you know that the flimsiest of breezes will blow away. They want you to believe that this is a solid concrete. They want your mouth to say what your heart knows to be false. Don't they cry. Hey, which your nonsense brother? Get someone better. Go to Abia South Senatorial Zone. Find someone better and send him to the Senate. Now with our deal, on a say senator where they elect for Abia State. Me, where from Imo State, say 9 they represent us. How is he representing us? He's representing his constituency, or supposed to, which is not. He went there, became a dot nation senator. You see why they don't want this Biafra to be exposed? Because then you will actually have to follow them up in the real world. And when it comes to that place, they will lose 10 times out of 10 every day and twice on Sunday. They want you to focus on a non-existent things, because when it comes to substance, they are standing on nothing. They have nothing to stand on. Only your emotions, only the pity that they are getting from you. They are exploiting your mind. Finish. Anybody that will come at me because of Enyinnaya Abaribe should start with his constituency project first. Can we begin the conversation there? Yeah? Can we begin the conversation from there? How much has he been awarded? He is one of, if not the person receiving the highest number of money in the Southeast. Yes. When you talk about the entire, you think constituency projects now the same amount that they give everybody. That's lie. Enyinnaya there for the tier A. But where are the projects? Are you not looking at other states? Many places for North, senators, they buy tractors, where then they rent out to farmers in their constituency. You see those, their big farms where they see. Now tractors, they work out. Many of their senators, they will buy it and they will be renting it out to farmers in their community. They are now the ones supplying you food. Okay, where are the agricultural projects of Enyinnaya Abaribe? Eh? How about industries? Can you point at any part of our area? From Ukumango, in fact, let's not just do only area. From Ukumango in that area junction, that side, to Brass Junction, can you name how many projects of Enyinnaya Abaribe will come across? Is there any impact of Enyinnaya Abaribe being in the Senate from Ukumango to Brass Junction, Onwere? Abia State Polytechnic in Aba, under his senatorial zone, how many projects would you point to at Abia Poly and say this one was initiated by Enyinnaya Abaribe? Anyone? Anyone? The entire Okigwe Road, as long as it is, that Okigwe Road Primary School, is there any single project? Eh? Is there any single project you can attribute to Enyinnaya Abaribe that is there? So tell me why I don't have the right to criticize him. Tell me why it should be a crime to call this fraud out for the fraud he is. Tell me. Aba Aba is a place I know very well. I saw someone talking about the building that someone wanted to sell. They couldn't because of bad road, no access. The BG Sabo Nation, his own house, do you know when he put his home up for sale in Aba? As of 2020, in fact, 3-story building. Of course, you know, say we know they can't do that one. Can't do that one now 4. Person wants sell and 7 million. 2019 and be 2020. Nobody won't buy them. Where you see road. Where you see road. Where road today. Many of them are there praising Natasha. Oh, Senator Natasha, without realizing that they are condemning Enyinnaya Abaribe. Because that thing you are praising Natasha for, first time senator, is what you should be seeing from Enyinnaya Abaribe. So let's all assume Natasha is the best senator, right? So why is Enyinnaya Abaribe not doing those things Natasha is doing? Why is Enyinnaya Abaribe not doing the same thing you are praising Natasha for? Enyinnaya Abaribe no be senator. The money where they give up no be the same type that they give Natasha. He own a counterfeit. He own a counterfeit. You've not heard the last of this from me. Don't worry, tomorrow morning we'll continue. My wonderful people, I love you all. Stay blessed.